Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Postuby, a tool that claims to utilize pre-designing template for all special events, producing designs at lightning speed. It's a design tool with specific use case and different kind of templates that you're gonna see it. They are on AppSumo right now and cost $59 for the lifetime deal. You get 70 credits monthly, all the features of their premium plan, one brand, two logos, all their templates, millions of backgrounds, shapes, icons, and GIFs, and 1 GB cloud storage. You can stack more codes and then you get additional 70 credits per month, more logos and brands. I'm gonna show you how the tool works. So here we have Postuby. You can see that I have the geo, I have 70 credits here. And the first thing that you want to do is to create your brand. So it will be easy to apply on your templates. So click here on add your brand name, and add your brand logo and your brand colors. Just add your colors here like that and click on save. Now you have a new brand. And then you can just try to find the kind of templates that you do prefer. I think this one is pretty good. I'm searching for the special days. As I told you, they have a different kind of template for different kind of days. You can see International Women's Day here and find specific templates for International Women's Day. You can also click on Discover and see all the templates that they have. National Pizza Day, Darwin Day, National Productive Day. You can see that they have many different kind of templates. Kindness, random kindness days, sales templates, weekend templates. So let's select one of those templates. I like this one. You can see that you can change the size of the template. So let's say you want to create an wallpaper. They will change the wallpaper feature. This is pretty cool. A square post. Let's select square for that one. Here you can see the editor. Let's say you want to change the text. Just double click on it, type the text you want. You can see that the tool automatically adds my logo here, okay? And so they will automatically adjust the template to your brands. And you can easily change the size. Just click on one of those sites here on the editor like that. It's pretty cool. You can add text, checked about objects that have vector, speech bubbles, nature collection, 3D objects, love and affection templates. Okay, let's see. I want to add that flower here. Just drag and drop, and that's it. Different kind of effects. The library is pretty good. They also have background. You can, of course, upload your videos and image. And here is where you can see your logo. So overall, they are starting now. I see a good space for growth. I would recommend them to add YouTube thumbnails. We have really few design tools on the internet that has good and useful YouTube thumbnails art, and it could make the whole difference overall. So that's Postuby. I have added the best link on the description where you can get the tool for the best price. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.